Hello, welcome to JAcademy. In this video, I'll just give a short introduction of what is called double linked list. So first we'll try to understand how a double linked list look like. A double linked list, every node of a double DLL, we call it DLL. Every node of a DLL has got three parts. Okay, so first it has got data, and then it has a left link and a right link. Okay. So the right link is going to have the address of the next node, okay, and the left link is going to have the address of the previous node. So in the case of a DLL, we can access we have the address of both the next node and the previous node, okay. So unlike your singly linked list, you have the address of the next node and there is no way to go back to the previous node, okay. So this demerit has been removed in DLL. So let us see how we can define the structure of a DLL. So we'll write struct node, and then what are the things we have? We have the left link. So left link is pointing to another structure. So we'll write struct node start left link in data. That's for the data, and you have the right link. So we'll write struct node asterisk right link, and that is how we define the structure of a double linked list. And one more thing is that in some of the book you will find instead of data you get something called info, and instead of the right link they use the term next, and instead of the left link they use previous. But in this video and henceforth on DLL, we'll be using the left link and the right link. So whenever you get to see this next and previous or info, don't get confused. It is the same thing, but you need to understand the fundamental of the DLL. Okay, let us see how this linked list is represented. So basically you know that if you want to point to the first node, you should have an address of the first node in something called head pointer, or you can have in some of the book it is called first, okay, or front as well, okay. So we have head, which is keeping the address of the first node, which is 4000, and since it is the first node, there is no previous node to the first node, so that is why it is null, okay. Then your right link is having the address of the second node, that is 5000. Okay, next come to the next node, that is node number 2. Node number 2 has the address of the previous node, so that is 4000. So it can link here, and node 2 also have an address of the third node, that is 6000. So it can link to the third node. Similarly, node 3 is having the address of the previous node, that is node 2, which is having an address of 5000. And then it has the address of the last node, that is 7000. And you can see the left link of the last node is 6000, which is again pointing to the third node. And the right link, since it is the last node, there is no node after this, so the value will be null. Okay, so null, when we say null, that means the address will be 0. It is not pointing to any other location. So we cannot write this address every time we try to draw this DLL or try to understand the problem. So instead of that, we are going to put an arrow, okay, symbol. So this arrow symbol indicates that head is having the address of the first node, and then there are double arrows which indicate the first node is having the address of the second node, and the second node on its left link is going to have the address of the first node. Similarly, node 2 is having the address in the right link of the third node, and the third node is having the address of its left link of the second node. So like that you represent the DLL. I think I am clear about this. So you take your time to understand this DLL, how it looks like, okay, and in what way. Once you understand this, we will be understanding how to insert a node in the DLL, how to delete the node in a DLL, okay, how to display the nodes from the DLL. So that's all for this video. Let us meet in the next video. And one more thing, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe it, okay? And please share this video, do give your comment, okay? And also like and share it. Thanks for watching this video.